Welcome to my brand new training video, guys. In this video, I am going to do an overview on how I have been able to generate $20,843.65 with one of the affiliate network called Warrior Plus. Okay, so it's a quick overview and show you exactly what I do and how I do this, and this is the same process I use to promote any affiliate products and affiliate network, including Clickbank. Okay, so if you keep things simple and do the way I'm doing things, you're going to generate sales. It's a proven and tested method. So you can see here, I've generated over $20,843.65. Okay, so what do? It's very simple and a very simple process. First of all, what I do is I build a list. The money is in the list. You probably heard that phrase. The money is in the list. You need to build a list. Now, how do you build a list? The first step is that you need to have a landing page. I have so many tutorial videos on my channel that teaches how to build a landing page. Make sure you check it out. Okay, so you need a landing page, and you're going to be driving traffic to this page, a page like this, and they're going to enter the email here. And every time you get an email, that's called a subscriber, that's called a lead, and then you could communicate with these people using your autoresponder. So autoresponder is something like this. This is what you will need as well, and this is you're going to be sending out emails. You could send a broadcast message, you could send a newsletter, you could send so many things. So you could see that approximately I have over 8,000 subscribers in this autoresponder. All right, now imagine this. Okay, imagine you had 25,000 subscribers, you had 50,000 subscribers, you had 100,000 subscribers. How much money do you think can you make? Okay, imagine this. There was a launch on Clickbank and you wanted to win the contest, and you had a list of, just say, 100,000 subscribers. Do you really think you could win that contest? Is there any possibilities? Of course there is. You know why? You got a massive list. You just have to write an email and blast it out to those 100,000 people. You're going to receive so much traffic. I know one internet marketer who has a list of over 800,000 subscribers, and that guy is making millions of dollars. I know another internet marketer who's who was focused purely on list building. Okay, he was getting 3,000 to 5,000 leads daily, and the last time I checked, he had over 550,000 subscribers. And the reason I wanted to check that is because whenever there used to be any contest in any affiliate network, like if you could remember, couple of 1 or 2 years ago, there were these big high ticket commission programs. Okay, and he used to crush all the leaderboards in every program out there, and I used to think, where is he getting all his traffic from? And then I realized he's got a massive list. The guy just blasts one email out, and there you go, boom, he just starts making so much money. Okay, so the money is in the list. Okay, so you need to learn how to build. The first step is you need a landing page. So you drive traffic to this landing page, and always focus on list building, my friend. The money is in the list. Second, you will need an autoresponder. Okay, so you could create a newsletter, you could send out email follow-ups. As you could see here, that I just sent out an email blast just this morning. So far 107 people opened my email, 22 people clicked on my link. Okay, so you need to build that list. Okay, so this is what I do, and most of these sale, okay, if you see here, I've generated over $20,843.65 so far with Warrior Plus. Most of these sales are coming from email blast. So I basically build a list, and when I build a list, people come, and I keep on sending out email after email after email after email after email. Now remember, when you're sending out email, make sure you're promoting a real good product, okay? Not a garbage product. Some people will just promote anything out there just to make a quick buck. Okay, that's not good. You want to make sure that you're promoting something that when the customer does purchase, it does help him. Okay, it helps him in education wise and making money wise. If he takes real action, he will make money. Okay, so you need to understand this. This is the concept, and it's been working for years. It's a proven and tested method. All right, this one, landing page, autoresponder, and then the final is which 99% people struggle, is traffic generation. How do you get traffic to this page? So there's two ways to get traffic: when it's free and when it's paid. I recommend paid traffic, and beginners friendly traffic is solo ads. Okay, in a couple of days ago, I just uploaded a brand new video. Check it out. It's all about this network called Udemy, how to find the real sellers to start generating quality traffic to your landing page and start building a list. Okay, I have been using solo ads myself, and one of the personal networks that I have been using and I do recommend is this network here. Okay, I'm going to have the link in the description box below this video. This guy has got very good quality traffic. Okay, so you could use Udemy. I'm going to have the link for that as well in my description box below this video. Let me just show you how to find it. So when you go below this video, the first step you need to take is click on this red subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell. By doing this, what's going to happen is that whenever I upload a brand new money making video, you're going to be the first one to get notified and able to watch before the competition does. Okay, so make sure you smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Step 2, give me a thumbs up if you love my videos. It will be appreciated. Step 3, click on the share button, get your share link and share this video with your followers, subscribers. Okay, they're going to get a lot of value and it's going to build a trust. And below my channel name, you're going to see a description just like this. You can see the button show more. Click on show more. It's going to open up the description, and in that description you're going to find the link to, okay, to Udemy, where you could get a $5 ad credit for joining, and also to my to one of the traffic sources that I use in my business, which has a very quality traffic. And some of this traffic, in fact, I think most of this traffic is generated by using Google and those top traffic sources. Okay, so I recommend this traffic source, and I'm going to have the link in the description box below this video. Okay, so I've talked about Udemy. Okay, you just need to find the real sellers. What do you need to look for? I also provide a seller recommendation. So when you join Udemy, you're going to find sellers recommendation. Okay, my top sellers, okay, that I recommend to people to start buying traffic. So if you look at this, these are my top recommendations. Okay, and you could start buying some quality super duper high quality traffic from these people. Okay, so these are some of my top recommendations, and I'm gonna have, so when you join Udemy, you're gonna be presented with this, and this is how you do business. Okay, and let me make it very clear here that this is the same method and strategy I use to promote any product and any affiliate network. Okay, I've generated millions of dollars in sales. Okay, and this is the same strategy I have been using, and it's been working and it still works. Okay, so whether it's Clickbank, whether it's WarriorPlus, whether it's a high ticket affiliate network, whether it's some next level program, I have been using this same strategy to promote products online, and it's been working. And some of my students, okay, when I say students, I mean some of my YouTube video viewers have took this into consideration and started to take massive action. They have started to do the same thing that I'm doing, and they are started to make money as well. If you go to my channel and start watching some video, you will see some comments where people have struggled for months and years, and after watching my video and taking action, they have started to generate sales. Okay, so you want to watch my videos, you could scroll through my channel. My channel has all the latest videos all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, okay, lead generation, traffic generation, campaign creation, etc. So make sure you check out my other videos as well. Okay, so this was just a quick overview on what I do in my business and how I generate all these sales, because a lot of people have this question: hey man, you're showing us a lot of things, very good, but how do you make all this money? So I'm just giving you a quick overview on how I do things, and just keep things simple. Okay, don't overcomplicate things, keep it simple. You need a landing page, drive traffic to that landing page. You need an autoresponder. I'm going to have all the links in my description box below if you want to join. Okay, you need to drive traffic. Best traffic source, in my opinion, is PPC using Google and Bing. But because beginners friendly traffic is solo ads, and it's a rapid way to build a subscriber list. So you want to start getting some traffic, okay? And then you have to be persistent. Persistent is the key to success. So you need to keep on buying traffic after traffic after traffic after traffic. Grow your list, start blasting out emails out, okay? Making sure that you're providing value. You're helping the customer by giving him what he needs, and watch how the money starts rolling in, okay? So once again, thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn more about traffic generation and you want to learn exactly how I have earned over $330,000 in commissions using one of this main system and program, then check out all the links in my description box below this video.
Hey, my name is Vic, and I help people make big money through affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing changed my life completely, my friend. It allowed me to go from nothing, not having $1.19 to my name, to generating over $11,500 per day on average. That's over $300,000 a month, simply by selling other people's products. And now we teach how it's done the right way. Now, most affiliate marketers out there are not making any money. You probably know that if you tried. The big question is, how do you do it right? Well, we do it differently. We have our own private network that we go to where we get offers that people already want to buy now. Okay, they're not, we're not going to Clickbank or JVZU or anything like that. We have our own private network. These offers and products are amazing. We collaborate with world-class companies. Second thing, what we do is we sell through systems. You will never, ever, ever, ever have to chase anybody. You will never have to rely on your affiliate link or convince anybody or try to talk to anybody at all. We sell through systems, and the system is working for you like an employee 24/7, 365. When you're vacationing, when you're sleeping, you should be making money. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Thing number 3, traffic. If you don't have traffic, you have no business. We are really, really good at generating massive amounts of traffic for pennies on the dollar. Would you like me to show you how it's done A to Z, the complete process? Well, you say, Vic, why would you do that? Because we're on a mission right now through my company to create an army of super affiliates where we collaborate with other big brands that are in great need of our help, and everybody's making money. We've got students right now that have never made any money. We just launched a campaign just a few days ago, and some of these guys here are making, like, for example, Sid, right, over $3,000. This guy never been successful with affiliate marketing before. Aaron Chen, $1,000 just over the last few days here are running this campaign. Lee, $886. A lot of these guys have never made a penny on the internet. My friend, if you ever wanted to make money through affiliate marketing, let me show you how it's done. Register for my upcoming class. I'm gonna walk you through this whole process. You will not regret spending time with me, because your life will probably change after it.